Hello friends, this is Fernando Dingdo and today we are going to explore Mauphanler. To reach Mauphanler, take the NH44E National Highway. This is a newly constructed highway from Shillong to Tora via Nongstoin. So here we are at Markasa village. You have to enter Markasa village to reach Mauphanler. The road leading to Mauphanler, rather narrow road, so if you are driving, drive cautiously. And just about 5 to 6 kilometers from here we'll reach Mauphanler. So here we are at Mauphanler, on top of the hill. Let us explore Mauphanler together. I'm here today with a fellow YouTuber, Shivraj Bharadwaj. He loves to travel to various places of Meghalaya. You can follow him on YouTube and I will leave a link on the description below. The lakes here are naturally formed and there are also various rocks and of course rolling hills. It's a beautiful place. On top of this hill you can have a breathtaking view. I wish I had a 360-degree camera, but I'll just pan my camera around for you all to see. So we explored beyond this hill, just a few minutes trek, and then another beautiful natural lake awaits us. I really love this part of Mount Phanler. There is no houses, there's few people here. Also, I came to know that there are several lakes nearby within half an hour trek. So if you love nature and adventure, this is the right place for you. Thank you for watching.